guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me again, Heidi, and we are back for another gardening vlog. And this time around we're going to feature how to grow hot peppers, or Sili Espada in the native language. So these are our hot peppers, and these are now 5 months old, more or less. So we are going to harvest some, and also we're going to talk about how to grow them from the seeds up to the part where they will now grow or bear hot peppers. So I start by sowing hot pepper seeds into plastic seed trays like these, and put them individually into each slot and wait for them to germinate, and that will take about 2 to 3 weeks. And when they grow, we also harden the seedlings before we transplant them into our pots and garden plots. After transplanting them into our pots and here in our garden plot. I'm not planting so much. I only want to plant enough for our consumption. And so our hot peppers will grow more healthy. I regularly fertilize them by putting on cow manure. And these are now our hot peppers at 3 months. So I think we have some kind of a situation here with our hot peppers. We are having kulubot problems of our sili. This is when the leaves would get curly. So this is a sign that there's something stressing our sili. Based on what I have read, this can be due to 3 factors. First is when the soil gets too wet, which I think is not the case. We have a well-draining soil right here. Second is when it has calcium deficiency. And third is when it can be because of some pests, which I think is the kind of problem that we have. We have some aphids and white flies underneath our leaves, and we have to treat it appropriately, do something about it. Sayang, it's producing hot peppers already, and we have to remedy. We have to solve this problem. So this is the remedy that I have learned in a certain vlog to treat aphids or white flies in peppers. So we can use this. This is a shampoo for roosters, and mix it here in a bottle like this. So 1 sachet for a bottle like this one, and then we put, like, for a spray bottle like this, we put like 1/4 of this bottle, and then We'll add more water. And then this is what we're going to spray into our pepper. So hopefully this will work and will solve our kulubot problems of our hot peppers and make the aphids and the white flies go away. Oops. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Okay, so hopefully this will solve our problem. Let's spray underneath the leaves. Some more in here. So we'll only spray on the affected plants. So, okay. For calcium deficiency, if you don't see any pests, any aphids or white flies underneath the leaves, the kulubot problem may be due to calcium deficiency. And if you need a quick solution for that, you may use calcium tablets, which you can buy from agri-vet stores. So we need to put like 3 to 4 tablets of these in the soil. We just put it right here in the pot like that. You also use eggshells, but you need to pound them and crush them so that it will be absorbed by the plant. But for again an immediate action, the calcium tablets will hopefully do the trick. So once or twice a month, I also apply complete fertilizer. This one you can buy from agri-vet stores. So I put a small amount, a few inches away from the base, and I do this to all my plants so they will flower some more and bear more vegetables, or in this case, more hot peppers for us. So here guys, we have this harvest for today. So we'll only take what is needed. So this is good for sinigang or sisig or fish paksiw, or even the appetizer dynamite with ham and cheese inside, wrapped in lumpia wrapper. So this will be good for that dish. So we'll only take what is needed and we'll save the rest if we need them in the next few days. And so that's it. This is how we grow hot peppers. Thank you so much for watching this video, and for more of my gardening videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.